Okay, I think the top has sufficiently thickened up for me to be able to texture it for you to see. So all I'm going to use is the back of a spoon, drag it across so I get some of the nice colour from underneath. Actually, it is a little bit thick almost. Could have done it a bit faster, but hey ho. Still looks good. You're going to get a nice combination of those lovely bright colours coming through. Hopefully underneath will be slightly more subtle because it will have white in with it. Yeah, I could probably have done with being just a little bit thinner, but it's nice and peaky. I don't know if that's a proper soap term, but anyway, there we go. So I'm quite pleased with that. I'll come back tomorrow and do cutting. Oh, sorry, I've put you out to one side. Come back tomorrow and do a cutting video for you. Have a nice evening. Bye.